YouTube. You know, we big chilling right now. I know, I already took her a little ride right now, but we'll do a little lap around, talk about life, talk about just things and people, admire nature at its finest. Oh yeah, this is Gainey Bridge. Beautiful spot. 275's over there. And just kind of been vibing. Didn't really think I was going to record a little bit here, so this might be a personal video. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. We will see. Phone's dead, so might as well record something. Might as well record something. You know? No, you don't know. Of course you don't know. Why the fuck would you know? Because you can. And you will. You get everything. You know what I'm saying? The fucking what? It's a fucking cat. It's a fucking cat. It's a fucking cat. Anyways, we're gonna be chilling today. Just want to get some things off my mind, riding around, living life to the best of my ability. Those are not even the best anymore, dude. I popped a fat one earlier. Nah, that's not it. That was decent. Basically fucking sideways though. I don't know about all that. Did not enjoy that. Anyways, yeah. We just chilling, This might be a very short video. I wanna preface this with this are just my thoughts about like life, and quite possibly YouTube and what's that looking like, trying to make it bigger, trying to make more content come out, and every now and again, because yeah. Oh, little biker dude. But yeah, just talking about life and everything. I want to start making more videos. I want to start doing more for YouTube, for a potential career with it, That would be sick. I don't care about making the money. Of course, yes, it would be nice. But if I have to abide and fucking censor myself just cause, then there's no point. I'll go get a fucking job and I'll actually live my life the way I want to live it. And it's raining. Nice. Doesn't matter though. Yeah. I want to put out more for you guys, especially those of you who are actually actively listening to me and watching my rants, watching my weird shit, watching my progression as a rider, You never know. Honestly, I wanted to start when I first started riding. I wanted to start the videos like when I went to BRC, That's when I wanted to start this. And regretfully I didn't, but I can't control the past. So we're gonna look to the future and hope that I get something better out of this, Life has a way of doing things like that, and it's weird. But yeah, I am gonna be starting to put out way more videos. I'm gonna be more quick with it. I'm gonna look into getting some better editing stuff. been using CapCut and stuff right now. I think I'm doing good. I just think I need something more, something that'll get you guys' attention, you know? I know the people that really love my channel and love my content the way it is, and I'll keep the style I got going on right now. It's just I want more, like a better thumbnail, or you know, better end scenes, or better, I don't know, like sound effects or something, you know? Not changing the whole flow of my video, but changing the dynamic of it. And I feel like that's fine, because everybody would enjoy that, in my opinion. And I would enjoy it. It would make me happy. So that's kind of why I'm doing it. It would definitely make me feel better about what's going on. And soon, I might hit a rut here with the whole recording thing. I got some life things going on. I got some major turning points happening to me. I don't know if you guys know already, but I am in the military, and trying to get out actively. So that's happening soon. So you guys see that. I might make a vlog on MacDill, you know, that might be cool for you guys to see the base and ride around it. Me and my coworkers that also ride. Just stuff like that. Can't show you too much, but yeah, just the gist of things. And I think, honestly speaking, it wouldn't be that bad of an idea. That would be a decent video, but there's that. The financial side of things, of course, I have to keep that up on my side, not you guys. Don't worry about that. Please don't do shit. Don't you fucking do anything, you motherfuckers. But yeah, just I wanna get better at this. I wanna really develop my skills as an influencer. That's my goal. That's what I want. And, you know, that's what I'm gonna do. Just what I'm gonna do to the best of my ability. And plus, I enjoy talking to everybody. I enjoy talking to myself sometimes too, so it's kind of weird, you know? I'm not crazy, I swear. But kind of am. Kind of have to be, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Got some big life things coming up, so videos will be scarce, like I said. Got some other things I want to do. I might implement some skateboarding videos. Who knows? You know, I like to skate, so who knows if I would be able to do that. Might have my friend, especially if my friend Kyle comes out, I'll definitely record some videos on that. In Tampa, skateboarding, you know, that would be sick, I think, in my opinion. I don't see many of those, so I feel like that would be awesome. But yeah, there's that. There's also the day in the life vlogs that I intend on doing. We'll see if they come to fruition. Any long-term channel viewers, make sure you let me know that's what you want to see. If that's, of course, what you want to see. But, you know, you don't have to. Motherfucker. Anyways, yeah, you don't have to, but because I'm gonna be doing it, hopefully, anyways. Yeah. Anyways, send in my TED Talk. Sorry, guys. Fucking weird. You know what I'm saying? Just a little weird. But hope you guys enjoyed that. Give me 1 second to open this garage, and let's get inside the garage and talk some more. Alright, YouTube. Thank you for supporting me so far. I appreciate all of the people and friends of mine that are actively supporting me. And if not, thank you anyways, because you're alive, and that's the best anyone can give, right? That's... I hope you're alive, you know what I'm saying? I'd be kind of fucked. But yeah. Look at Suzanne. She's nice and wet right now. I don't know the rain. I'm just kidding. Yeah. Got the Soul Rider Sully. started an Instagram channel or Instagram page, so you guys can check up and get those smaller updates of me just going out and riding with groups of friends that I don't normally post or whatever. You know, just the smaller things. Yeah, I might even do like skateboarding things because I think my board's in here. Fuck is my board? Anywho's, it might be in my room. Anyways, yeah, got a board. I'm gonna get my friend to let me borrow this chesty for the GoPro. You know, put that right here, and we're gonna look to do some more things in the future. Future projects, future videos, future things, you know. Trying to think of anything else I can do. I might do track, who knows? Might be able to do some track videos. Might go to Jennings, implement some track videos. I gotta change my front tire first because of all these little fucking poppies I do. They're starting to warp my fucking tire. And that's not good. I can feel it actually. So that's gotta go. Because I just changed my back tire. Back tire's chilling. But yeah. But anyways, thank you guys for your support. Thank you guys for being around. I look forward to creating some more awesome content for you guys. And honestly, you should look forward to it too. I think you guys will enjoy it if you stick around. I hope so. I hope some of y'all actually stick around. And day one crew, you know what I'm saying? Especially with the moto vlogs. I know day one crew of me gaming, that's a whole different breed. That's like 5 years ago type shit. And thank you to you guys, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that was a long time ago. I'm gonna sit here, probably gonna chill, have a smoke break, hang out, you know. By the way, I do not endorse anybody smoking. Chill, alright? Oh yeah. Anyways, YouTube, take it easy, and deuces.